Hey everyone, I hope all is well. It is your boy John D. Saunders back in full effect with a brand new tool for you this week. So today I'm going to talk about a little tool that I love. Basically something that I recently found out about and use it on a continuous basis. This is for anyone that does a lot of custom design work, that's looking for motivation, that's looking for inspiration, that's easily categorized and viewed in a simple and effective model. So this is Lappa.ninja. This website essentially aggregates the most beautiful landing pages, websites, and kits online to give it to you in a easy to use scrolling format. So for me, I'm all about forward thinking web development and design. That's essentially the bulk of our work. We do a lot of custom design work. So for anyone that does UI, UX, website design, you're thinking about redesigning your site, you can definitely find motivation and inspiration here. So this is the main page. I'm going to post this link. Of course, this is also in my resource guide as well. Now, if I go and click inspiration, I can categorize all this content by category. So I can look at minimal designs. I can look at designs with awesome gradients. Those are in the cryptocurrency space. If I'm an agency and I'm thinking about a redesign, I can hit agency. What will happen is it'll preload and it'll show me all the recent dope agency designs that have come out recently. And so you can see all of them here. And then I can click a link to open that page in a new window. Another feature I like is you can choose colors. So if your branding is a consistent color like green, it'll only show you designs that are consistent with that color scheme. So this is a great way to find colors, different formatting, different color combinations that could work well specifically for your business. Oh, here's the page that we clicked. As you can see, when you click a page, it'll show you the landing page in full, and then it will also show you the link to visit that site. So now I can see that site in real time. And we get a ton of inspiration from this website. It's really, really cool, super intuitive, and free. So check it out, guys. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you on the flip side.